Okay, so we'll continue your Mobius transformation. We'll take any problems on transformations. Two problems already we studied. Now next problem. Show that the transformation W equals to 2z plus 3 z minus 4 maps the circle x square plus y square minus 4x equal to 0 into a straight line for u plus 3 equals to 0. Straight line, circle to straight line. So this W and Z relation, okay. So we have always complex number z equal to x plus iy. Always z bar will be x minus iy. W is u plus iv. W u plus iv relation u v w relation x y z. Now then here z into z bar multiple x plus iy into x minus iy. So in the form of a square minus b square form. So x square minus I square y square. But I square is minus 1. So it becomes a x square plus y square. So remember, z into z bar is x square plus y square. Always. I want here x square plus y square. Now addition, z plus z bar, their addition, iy cancel, 2x. 4x here, but 2x. So I put value of this and here. Okay, now. Given transformation W equals to 2z plus 3 divided by z minus 4. So this is W in terms of z. I want z in terms of W because I want value of z, z bar and their addition. So this cross multiply and express z. A video so W into z minus 4 2z plus 3. So wz minus 4w 2z plus 3. So z term left side wz minus 2z 4w plus 3 or z equals to 4w plus 3 divided by w minus 2. So this z in terms of w. Also I want z bar will be z bar w bar. Other constant as it is, real constants are. If complex constant, then in case of I minus I will be taken. All are real constant, therefore z bar w bar. Okay, so this is of w, z, and this is w bar. Okay, put here. Now this given. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x. 4x means 2 into 2x. Okay, so put x square plus y square means what? Z into z bar. 2 into 2x. 2x means what? Z plus z bar equals to 0. In terms of this. Now put values. Okay. So z 4w plus 2 w minus 2 z bar 4w bar plus 2. What's the w bar here? W bar minus 2 z 4w plus 2 4w plus 3 4w plus 3 4w plus 3 w bar minus 2. Okay, so z into z bar, z 4w plus 3 w by 2 w minus 2, and the z bar is a 4w bar plus 3 w bar minus 2. Okay, this now here addition 4w plus 3 divided by w bar minus 2 plus 4w bar plus 3 divided by w bar minus 2. Simplify. Now with straight line in UV. What w's? Okay. So this same multiple or multiplied by this multiplied by w minus 2 into w bar minus 2 multiplied. So here only 4w plus 3 into 4w bar plus 3 in a bracket. This cancel here. So 4w bar plus 3 into w bar minus 2 and this into then w bar minus 2 equals to 0. Denominator cancel. Multiply 4w 16 w bar 3 6 12 w 3 4 4 3 4 12 w bar 3 3 9 minus 2 times. First this simplify. This into this 4 w bar 8 w 3 w bar 6 here 4 w bar 8 w bar 3 w minus 6 bracket equals to 0. Four w bar and 4w bar 8 w bar minus 8w and 3w minus 5w 3w bar minus 8w bar minus 5 minus 8w 3w minus 5 3w equal. So minus 6 minus 6 minus 12. Okay, now open the bracket. So 16 w bar plus 12w plus 12w bar plus 6 minus 2 into this 16 w bar minus minus plus 12w minus minus plus 12 10 2 into 5 10w bar minus minus plus 24. So total 16 cancel. 12w plus 10w 22w 12w bar plus 10w bar 22w bar minus 9 24 33 equals to 0. Divide by 11. So 11 2 times 3 times or 2 is common. W plus W bar plus 3 equals to 0. So Z plus Z bar 2x. So W bar. Okay. So as we know, W is a U plus IV. W bar will be U minus IV. Therefore, W plus W bar will be what? 2U. Z plus Z bar 2X. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z's. Is it 4U? So 4U plus 3 equals to 0. That is U equals to minus 3 by 4 is a straight line. Straight line. So circle convert to straight line under this transformation. Transformation, sir. Circle to circle, rectangle to rectangles. Next theorem, very important theorem. Prove that bilinear transformation is a combination of translation, rotation means stretching also, and inversion. So it's a combination of these four ability. Proof. So we have always standard bilinear transformation. W equals to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. So here A is common, Z plus B by A. Here is C is common, Z plus B by C. A is common, B by A. Now this A by C, suppose say alpha. B by A, suppose say beta. Z by C, suppose say gamma. Alpha, gamma. So alpha is A upon C. Beta is B upon A, and gamma is D upon C. Notation. So alpha E bracket is off. So Z plus beta here, Z plus gamma. So I want Z plus gamma also here to cancel. So Z plus gamma and minus gamma, adding and subtracting gamma. So alpha into this upon this, okay, 1, and this beta minus gamma divided by Z plus gamma. Open the bracket, alpha into 1, alpha into beta minus gamma divided by Z plus gamma. So alpha plus alpha into beta minus gamma, suppose say delta. So delta is a alpha into beta minus gamma. Okay, so A is like your BT expresses this like. Now, what is some notation? Suppose say let Z1 is Z plus gamma. Z1 is Z plus gamma. What is Z plus gamma? Is a translation. Z2 is a 1 upon Z plus gamma is suppose say Z2. Then W becomes alpha plus Z1. Then W becomes alpha plus delta into Z2. Then let Z3 is delta into Z2. Okay, is a rotation, stretching, and then W becomes a alpha plus Z3 or Z3 plus alpha. Is a translation. Okay, so all this Z plus gamma translation, also here lastly translation. This 1 by Z1 inverse, inversion, it is magnification or rotation. Okay, all this. Okay. So thus every Vt is a combination of translation, rotation means stretching or magnification, and lastly inversion.